Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're at the Hux World, and we got some more watch faces for you to check out for your Gears 3, your Gears Sport, and your Gears 2, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we got some awesome watch faces for you to check out by a developer named Pappy. I've been calling his name wrong. It's not Poppy, it's Pappy, and I'm telling you, this guy is new to the game and he's getting down. So make sure you check out his lineup. He has a lot of nice looking watch faces that I think you all may like to check out, and they're reasonably priced, okay? So with that being said, let's check out this guy's work. The name of the watch face is called Steel Eyes. Now I'm liking this watch face, especially in the always on mode. He gives you everything that you can see or need to see at a glance, and it's very legible. I like the look. But the watch face, once it's on, this is where it starts to shine. Now what I like about it is you got the time that's centered. You can't miss it. Gives you the date at the top, and you get information on your exercising. You get your steps, you get your miles walked or ran, and you also get information on calories burned. Over here you get your battery info, and you have a meter as well as the percentage right there. Now when it's full, it's going to look just like the steps do over here. I have completed my goal, and also it gives you the number of your goal you completed as well. I like that look. And you get your heart rate down at the bottom, right? Now, you know I like conveniences, and this guy pretty much gives you everything that you would normally use if you had to pull out your phone, and he gives it right to you on a smartwatch. So if I want the weather, I can tap right there. If I want to go into my settings, I could tap right here, and you can also make a phone call. Now that's what's most important, to be able to make a phone call. You get your email up here. If you use S-Voice, you can use S-Voice right there, and you can come here and you can get information. Well, tap into your calendar and set an event or whatever you need to do with that. And my favorite, my music. So I like the layout of this. I like what the developer offers us so far as a watch face is concerned. I thought he did a really good job with this watch face. Hit me in the comment section down below, you all. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you like this watch face or not. So let's go on. Let's check out number 2. Number 2. This one is called Black Pearl, and in the always on mode. Very colorful, nice black background. You can see everything legible, but when the watch face is on, I'm loving it. Now it is kind of busy, but it has everything that you can possibly want in the watch face. Of course, you get your digital time, you get your days here of the week, you get your date right here as well. And down at the bottom, those are your step goals completed, miles walked or ran, step info, calories burned, heart rate, gives you everything that you need for exercise and info. And then you get your shortcuts. So if I want my music, I can tap into my music right there. Phone calls. If I need to get into my contacts, there we go. And if I need to get into my weather, I hit those clouds right there and I'm in. So this is definitely a good look. I like the fact that this developer gives you everything you can possibly want to use in the watch face right at your fingertips. But that's not it. You can also double tap, and you can customize the color of the watch face. I thought that was awesome. Alright y'all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to be notified when I drop more videos on this channel, then make sure you hit the notification bell. And if you want to see videos like this all the time, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.